this August chamber. It is my honor and responsibility to sponsor and defend before this body the proposed fiscal year 2026 budget of the Office of the President of the Philippines, amounting to 27.362 billion. The Office of the President is the nerve center of our government. It ensures the coordination of all departments, agencies, and instrumentalities of the executive branch. It provides the President the necessary resources to fulfill the constitutional mandate of faithfully executing the laws, formulating national policies, and addressing urgent challenges that confront the Filipino people. The proposed budget reflects both continuity and foresight. The largest component of the increase is in the maintenance and other operating expense, which rose from 13 billion in fiscal year 2025 to 24.82 billion in fiscal year 2026. This primarily to fund the Philippine hosting of the ASEAN summits and related meetings in 2026, a matter of both national pride and strategic importance. Hosting ASEAN positions our country at the forefront of regional diplomacy, economic cooperation, and security dialogue. Personnel services increased by 36.88%, driven by the creation of new positions under specialized offices such as the Office of the Special Assistant of the President for Investment and Economic Affairs, the ASEAN Office of the Director General for Operations, and the Office of the Presidential Advisor for Marawi Rehabilitation and Development. These expansions reflect the growing demands of the presidency to oversee investments, promotion, post-conflict rehabilitation, and international engagement. Capital outlay decreased by 54%. I repeat, decreased by 54% as the focus in fiscal year 2026 shifts away from infrastructure toward operational requirements, particularly those linked to ASEAN hosting. This demonstrates fiscal discipline and a sharper prioritization of resources. The increase of 11.46 billion or 72% compared to 2025 fiscal year is not merely an expansion of expenditure, it is an investment in governance, international credibility, and national preparedness. The hosting of ASEAN will require us to ensure security, logistics, technology, and protocol at the highest level. The strengthening of the OP's organizational capacity ensures that the President can respond effectively to both domestic needs and global responsibilities. Every peso allocated supports the delivery of timely decisions, sound policy direction, and decisive action from the highest office of the land. Mr. Speaker, esteemed colleagues, the budget is not for the President alone. It is for the Filipino people, whose welfare, security, and future depends on a strong and responsive presidency. I respectfully urge this chamber to give its full support to the proposed fiscal year 2026 budget of the Office of the President. By doing so, we affirm our shared commitment to effective governance, international